3-minute American English lesson. The American English T sound is sometimes pronounced like D. This is called a flap T. Here are some examples. Water. I need a drink of water. Water. Butter. Do you like bread and butter? Butter. Better. Warm weather is better than cold weather. Better. Later. I will see you later. Later. Fatter. My old dog has gotten fatter. Fatter. Greater. 10 is greater than 9. Greater. Letter. I will send him a letter. Letter. Meter. Where is the water meter? Meter. Pretty. The girl is pretty. Pretty. Petty. Arguing over a few cents is petty. Petty. Alligator. Have you ever seen an alligator? Alligator. Beauty. The sculpture was a work of beauty. Beauty. Calculator. I always use a calculator. Calculator. City. I work in the city. City. Daughter. My daughter is a good student. Daughter. Excited. She got very excited. Excited. Visitor. Do we have a visitor? Visitor. Lottery. The lottery is popular. Lottery. Saturday. Let's go for a hike Saturday. Saturday. Attitude. A positive attitude is important. Attitude. Bottle. Buy a bottle of soda. Bottle. Battery. I have a new battery in my car. Battery. Cottage. We rented a nice cottage near the beach. Cottage. Lettuce. I love romaine lettuce. Lettuce. Scatter. The leaves scatter in the wind. Scatter. Utter. He didn't utter a single word. Utter. Cheetah. We saw a cheetah at the zoo. Cheetah. Hitter. Joe is the best hitter on the team. Hitter. Metal. I have a metal chair. Metal. Settle. Don't settle for less. Settle. Kettle. Fill the kettle with water. Kettle. Tomato. Would you like a tomato on your sandwich? Tomato. Potato. I like potato salad. Potato.